Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, and I'm so happy you're here today. Whether you're listening in the morning, during your lunch break, on the bus, or relaxing at home, thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us. We really appreciate every single one of you. Today is another exciting day because we're continuing our 30 Days English Shadowing Challenge. And guess what? We are already on day 8. Wow, time is flying, isn't it?
Hi, everyone. I'm Julia, and I'm excited to learn with you again today. If you've been practicing every day, give yourself a big smile because you're doing an amazing job. And if today is your very first day joining us, don't worry at all. You're in the perfect place. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation with us.
That's right. Remember, you don't need perfect English to start speaking English. You only need a little confidence, a little patience, and the courage to practice every single day. Every sentence you repeat makes you a little stronger, a little faster, and a little more confident.
Exactly. So today, don't just listen to us. Speak with us. Repeat every sentence, copy our pronunciation, and have fun while you're learning. Don't be shy. Nobody is judging you here. We are all learning together, one sentence at a time.
Wonderful! So, are you ready for day 8 of our 30 Days English Shadowing Challenge?
I know I am. Let's get started and make today's English practice the best one yet.
All right, everyone. Let's jump into today's lesson. Welcome to day 8 of our 30 Days English Shadowing Challenge. Every day, we're helping you build your English little by little. And today is another exciting step towards speaking English more naturally and confidently.
That's right. Today's practice is simple, fun, and very useful. We're going to listen to a real-life conversation, and your job is easy. Just listen, repeat, and copy how we speak. That's what shadowing is all about.
Exactly. Don't worry if you can't repeat every sentence perfectly the first time. That's completely normal. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Remember, every mistake is a chance to learn something new.
Here's a little challenge for you today. Try to speak at the same time as us. Copy our pronunciation, our rhythm, and even our emotions. Yes, even the little laughs. It might feel funny at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to improve your speaking skills.
So, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and get ready to enjoy today's conversation. By the end of this episode, you'll have learned new expressions, practiced your pronunciation, and taken another confident step toward speaking English fluently.
Awesome! Let's begin today's real-life situation and start shadowing together.
All right, everyone. Before we start today's conversation, let's imagine a simple, real-life situation. Picture this. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, the weather is nice, and two friends meet in a small neighborhood park. They haven't seen each other for a few days, so they're excited to catch up and talk about their weekend plans.
Oh, really? I love weekends. You can sleep a little longer, enjoy the fresh air, and maybe grab your favorite drink. Or just relax on a park bench and have a fun conversation with a good friend.
Exactly! In today's dialogue, you'll hear friendly greetings, simple questions, and natural answers that English speakers use every day. These are the kinds of sentences you can use at school, at work, with your classmates, or even when you meet someone new.
And remember, this isn't just a conversation to listen to. It's your chance to shadow us. Repeat every sentence after you hear it. Try to copy our pronunciation, our rhythm, our expression, and even our emotions. Wow, that's how your English starts sounding more natural.
Wonderful. So imagine you're standing right there in the park with us. You're part of the conversation, too. Relax, smile, speak confidently, and let's begin today's English shadowing practice together. Hey, Julia. It's so nice to see you today.
Hi, Jason. It's great to see you too. How have you been?
I've been really good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. I've been a little busy this week, but today I'm finally free.
Oh, really? What kept you so busy?
Mostly work and a little studying. After that, I just wanted to relax.
That sounds busy. Everyone needs some time to relax.
Exactly. That's why I came to the park today. The weather is beautiful.
I agree. The fresh air feels wonderful. It makes me feel happy and relaxed.
Wow, look at all the people. Some are walking, some are jogging, and some are sitting on the grass.
Yes, I also see children playing with a ball. They look like they're having so much fun.
Their energy is amazing. I wish I had that much energy every day.
Maybe you just need one more cup of coffee.
Haha, maybe you're right. But too much coffee keeps me awake at night.
Really? I can drink coffee in the evening and still sleep well.
Wow, you're lucky. If I drink coffee after dinner, I stay awake for hours.
Everyone is different. That's what makes people interesting.
That's true. By the way, what are your plans for this weekend?
I'm going to read a new English book, practice my speaking, and watch an English movie.
Wow, that sounds like a perfect weekend for improving English.
I think so too. Even practicing for 20 or 30 minutes every day can make a big difference.
Absolutely. Small daily practice is much better than studying only once a week.
Exactly. Learning English is like exercising. The more you practice, the stronger your skills become.
I like that idea. So today, our listeners are exercising their English muscles.
That's right. Every sentence they repeat makes them more confident.
So everyone, keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep smiling while you practice.
You're doing an amazing job. Let's continue learning together. Great job, everyone. Now let's look at some useful words and phrases from today's conversation. These are common expressions that you can use in your everyday English.
Awesome! Let's learn them together. And don't forget to repeat after us.
Word number 1, busy. Busy means you have a lot of things to do. Example, I was busy at work today.
If your teacher gives you lots of homework, you can say, I'm busy today. Easy, right?
Word number 2, relax. Relax means to rest and feel calm. Example, I like to relax in the park after work.
Wow! Everyone needs time to relax. Don't study all day. Take a short break, too.
Word number 3, plan. A plan is something you want to do in the future. Example, my weekend plan is to practice English.
Oh, really? What's your plan for tomorrow? Maybe practicing English with us?
Phrase number 4, keep going. Keep going means don't stop. Continue doing something. Example, keep going. You're doing a great job.
We love this phrase because learning English takes time. So remember, keep going, keep practicing, and never give up.
Excellent work, everyone. Now that you've learned these new words and phrases, let's use them in a fun mini role play together. All right, everyone. Now it's time for our mini role play. This time, imagine you are Julia. Listen carefully and repeat Julia's answers after the short pause. Ready? Let's do it together. Hi, it's great to see you today. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. It's a beautiful day, and I'm happy to be here.
That's wonderful. What are your plans for this weekend?
My plan is to relax, practice my English, and spend some time with my family. I think that's a perfect weekend.
I like that. Practicing a little every day is a great habit. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I do. Sometimes it's difficult, but I never give up because I know I can improve.
Excellent answer. You're speaking with confidence already.
Wow, great job, everyone. Whether your pronunciation is perfect or not, you're practicing, and that's the most important thing. Keep smiling, keep shadowing, and let's move on to today's quick speaking challenge.
All right, everyone. It's time for your quick speaking challenge. This is your chance to speak English by yourself. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just answer out loud. Ready? Here we go.
Question number 1. How are you feeling today? Go ahead. Say your answer in a full sentence.
Great. Now, question number 2. What are your plans for this weekend? Try to use the word plan in your answer.
Awesome! Here's the last one. Where do you like to relax? Maybe it's a park, your home, a coffee shop, or somewhere else. Speak with confidence.
Fantastic! Wow! Every time you answer these questions, you're becoming a stronger English speaker. Keep practicing every day, and we'll see you in tomorrow's challenge. Wow! We did it! Congratulations on completing Day 8 of our 30 Days English Shadowing Challenge. Give yourself a big smile. You earned it.
That's right. Every day you practice, your English gets a little stronger. So don't stop now. We're just getting started.
Keep believing in yourself, keep shadowing, and we'll meet you tomorrow for Day 9 with another fun English conversation. See you soon! If you enjoyed today's episode, please give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
And don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell us where you're learning English from and how Day 8 went for you. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you tomorrow for Day 9 of the 30 Days English Shadowing Challenge.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning, and keep speaking English every single day.